Welcome to a new HELiOS short clip, this time about version 2025, Service Pack 2. This short video will show you the new user interface configuration options in the HELiOS Internet Server. This means that we can now configure many more settings directly in our internet browser in the HELiOS Internet Server. The new features mainly affect the result lists, but also the configuration of our detailed dialogues and their tabs. Let's take a look at the result lists first. Previously, the result lists always had to be configured via a HELiOS desktop, but now you can also configure attributes and result lists directly in the browser, using the familiar function in the desktop. We can also use the filter at the top to select an attribute and transfer it to the corresponding result list. On the right, we have the option of changing the order of the attributes. And if we have activated the checkbox at the bottom, the changes are saved immediately after clicking OK. Furthermore, we have the option of changing the column width directly in the user interface using drag and drop, and we can also change the order of the attributes in the list by moving the columns as desired. If I want to save these changes, I can click on the Save icon, and the result list for this user in the HELiOS Internet Server is then saved for the next use. Furthermore, we have created options for configuring the detailed dialog, which means that new tabs can now also be displayed directly via the HELiOS Internet Server. For example, we can display a Projects tab here, which then shows us where a document is assigned. Using the button with the three dots here, we can also move this tab to a new tab group so that we can split the whole thing up here and, if desired, undo this again. By clicking on the cross icon, we can close the individual tabs. Last but not least, there is an option to close all tabs except the active one. These settings are also saved immediately after execution and will be available to the user the next time they start the HELiOS Internet Server. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.